Hello friends, Alexius Varro here. Today, we're diving into the rich wisdom of the Stoics to explore an intriguing concept, cultivating indifference while others cultivate passion. We'll unpack an illuminating passage from Epictetus's Discourses and see how its timeless advice can benefit you in today's world. Imagine for a moment that the things that usually trigger stress, envy, anxiety, or greed in most people, money, physical appearance, health, or even life and death, suddenly lost their significance for you. Close your eyes and picture how different your life would be if these usual worries no longer held power over your emotions. While everyone around you is frantic or preoccupied with gaining more, what if you could remain objective, calm, and sensible? How would this impact your work relationships, your personal life, and your friendships? Epictetus breaks down all things into three categories: good, evil, and indifferent. Good is virtue and all that pertains to it, while evil encapsulates vice and its associated traits. Things like wealth, health, life, death, pleasure, and pain are indifferent. They lie somewhere in between. The key to a Stoic mindset is to remain indifferent to these externals that people typically obsess over. Imagine how strong you would be if you could embrace this perspective. This doesn't mean Stoics don't care about anything. It's about assigning value only to what truly matters: virtue. Seneca, one of the most famous Stoics, exemplified this attitude. Despite being incredibly wealthy, he practiced indifference to his material possessions. He enjoyed what he had, but was always prepared for it to vanish one day. This mindset is revolutionary. It frees you from the desperation of craving more and the fear of losing what you have. Think about how this would change your professional life. Instead of anxiously striving for every promotion or bonus, you could focus on doing your job with excellence and integrity, knowing that financial rewards are secondary. It would make you more resilient because your sense of worth wouldn't be tied to external validations that are beyond your control. In your personal life, this attitude can be equally transformative. We often let the fear of loss or the desire for more disrupt our peace. By practicing indifference, you can enjoy relationships and experiences without the anxiety of clinging too tightly. You can love freely without fear because your contentment doesn't hinge on these external factors. Now, don't get me wrong, this practice is challenging. Indifference to wealth and health, to life and death, is not about cold detachment, but about understanding that these externals don't define your true worth. It's the solid golden mean that offers liberation. It allows us to experience life authentically without being enslaved by the whims of fortune. So how can we cultivate this indifference in practical terms? Start small. Next time you catch yourself stressing about your bank balance or agonizing over a problem at work, pause. Remind yourself that these things are indifferent. They don't affect your ability to be virtuous, which is the only thing that truly matters. Reflect on the words of Epictetus. Among all existing things, some are good, some are evil, and some are indifferent. This simple recognition can offer a calming perspective during turbulent times. As you go through your day, try to notice when external circumstances begin to dictate your mood or actions. Bring your focus back to what you can control, your own virtues. Each time you manage to shift your attention from the indifferent to the virtuous, you're strengthening your Stoic practice. Friends, by embracing this Stoic indifference, we carve a path to inner peace and resilience. We step away from the chaotic chase for external validations and stand firmly rooted in our own virtue. Thank you for joining me today. As we navigate the complexities of modern life, let's remember the Stoic wisdom that true strength and serenity lie within. Until next time, keep practicing and keep thriving.